Look around you for a moment. Every day, millions of people wake up early. They rush to work, spend hours working hard, and give their time, energy, and effort just to earn money. They believe that if they keep working harder, one day everything will become easier. But here is a truth that most people never truly understand. Many people spend their entire life chasing money without ever learning how money actually works. They believe more work means more money. They believe more money means more freedom. But reality shows something very different. Some people work all day and still struggle to pay their bills, while others seem to understand the system and slowly build a life where money starts working for them. So what really makes the difference? Welcome to English Learning Booster, the channel where you improve your English while learning powerful life lessons. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important topics in life: understanding the game of money. Because money is not just salary. Money is not just numbers in a bank account. Money is a system. Money is a tool. And most importantly, money is a game. Like every game, it has rules, patterns, and strategies. If you don't understand the rules, you may keep playing the game, but you will keep losing. But once you understand how money really moves, how it grows, and how it disappears, something powerful begins to change. You stop running after money, and you start controlling it. At the same time, this video will also help you improve your English listening and understanding skills. By listening carefully, you will start thinking in English naturally. So stay with me until the end. And if you want to improve your English in a simple and powerful way, subscribe to the channel. Now let's start with a simple question. What is money? Most people will answer quickly. Money is cash. Money is salary. Money is what I earn every month. But this understanding is very limited. Money is not just paper. Money is not just numbers on a screen. Money is actually a representation of value. This means money comes to you when you provide value to someone else. If you solve a problem, you get paid. If you help people, you get paid. If you create something useful, you get paid. So money is not the starting point. Value is the starting point. This is where many people make their first mistake. They focus only on earning money instead of increasing their value. They keep asking themselves, how can I earn more money? But a much better question is, how can I become more valuable? Because when your value increases, your income naturally follows. Most people live in a simple cycle. Work, earn, spend, repeat. They wake up, go to work, earn money, spend it, and start the same process again the next day. This cycle can continue for years. But people who understand money follow a different path. They focus on skills, value, income, assets, and freedom. First, they build skills. Skills increase their value. Value increases their income. But they do something important next. Instead of spending everything, they start converting money into assets. And those assets slowly begin generating more money. This is where the game begins to change. Every game in the world has rules. Football has rules. Chess has rules. Business has rules. Money also has rules. But the problem is that most people are never taught these rules. So they keep playing the game without understanding why they keep losing. The first rule is simple. Money flows to value. Money does not come just because you need it. Money comes when you create value. If you solve small problems, you earn small money. If you solve bigger problems, you earn bigger money. That is why some people earn thousands, while others earn millions. Another important rule is that hard work alone does not create wealth. Many people believe if they work harder, they will automatically become rich. But reality shows something different. There are people working physically all day and still struggling financially. This happens because wealth is not only about effort, it is about leverage. Leverage means your ability to impact many people at the same time. If your income depends only on your time, your growth will always be limited. But when you build systems, skills, or assets, your income can grow even when you are not constantly working. Another powerful factor is time. Many people delay learning about money and say they will start later. But time is one of the greatest advantages in the money game. Small, smart decisions repeated over many years can create massive results. This happens because of a powerful effect called compounding. At first, growth looks small, but over time it becomes stronger and stronger. That is why consistency often beats intensity. Most people earn money through active income. Active income means you work and then you get paid. If you stop working, the money stops. Jobs, freelancing, and daily work are examples of active income. There is nothing wrong with active income, but it has one big limitation. Your time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day. That means your income is also limited. This is why many people feel stuck. Now think about something different. Passive income. Passive income means you do the work once and money continues to come again and again. This can come from investments, businesses, digital products, or systems. Passive income disconnects time from earnings, which means money can still grow even when you are not working. Active income helps you survive. Passive income helps you become free. Smart people understand this difference. They use their active income to slowly build passive income. Over time, passive income grows stronger, and one day, passive income becomes larger than active income. That moment changes everything. Most people are not broke because they are lazy. They stay broke because they do not understand money deeply. Many people spend money based on emotions instead of logic. They feel bored and they spend. They feel stressed and they spend. Over time, these small emotional decisions slowly destroy financial stability. Another problem is fear. Many people want financial growth, but they are afraid to take action. They fear losing money or making mistakes. But growth almost always requires some level of risk. Smart people do not take blind risks. They take calculated risks. Saving money is important because it creates protection. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected problems can happen at any time. Savings give you stability and peace of mind. But saving alone is not enough. Investing is what actually grows money. When you invest, your money begins working for you. Over time, this creates the powerful effect of compounding. At first, growth looks slow, but with patience and consistency, it becomes powerful. Understanding assets and liabilities is also very important. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Many people think they are building wealth because they are buying expensive things, but often they are simply increasing liabilities. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It is about what you do with what you earn. Money is also strongly connected to behavior. Two people earning the same income can have completely different financial lives. Why? Because their habits are different. Someone earning less but investing consistently can build wealth. Someone earning more but spending carelessly can stay broke. That is why discipline matters more than income. Increasing your income also requires increasing your value. Instead of working more hours, focus on learning valuable skills. Skills increase your value. Value increases your income. The more problems you can solve, the more opportunities you can create. Patience also plays a powerful role. Many people want instant success, but wealth usually grows slowly through smart decisions repeated over many years. This is why delayed gratification is so powerful. Delayed gratification means choosing long-term success over short-term pleasure. Instead of spending immediately, you choose to build something stronger for the future. People who learn to control their impulses often build much stronger financial lives. Finally, understanding money is not enough. You need a system. A money system is simply a clear plan for how you earn, save, invest, and manage your money. Without a system, money becomes emotional and random. With a system, money becomes organized and purposeful. Your life will not change because of one big decision. It will change because of small, smart decisions repeated every day. Start small, stay consistent, keep learning. Because in the end, success with money is not about how much money you have. It is about how well you understand it. And once you understand the game, you don't just play it. You start winning it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to improve your English while learning powerful life ideas, make sure to subscribe to English Learning Booster and tell me in the comments, what was the most powerful lesson you learned today? Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.